in a matter of seconds. Proprietary cleaner and solvent. On with some Brillo. That will get at least a good layer of the gunk off of here that we're looking to get off, right? Alright, and once you got that all cleaned and buffed, easy as 1, 2, 3. Step 1. Then if the car is really nice, didn't have all these bumps on there, actual bottle. And this is my proprietary formula. It makes headlights look brand new. I formulated this myself. Anybody's headlight. Now I'm practicing. The reason why I got this plastic jug is I'm practicing different ways to store it as I formulate my do-it-yourself kit on what will last longest. Now, as you can see, one headlight looks just as good as the next one.